Welcome to the Creative Makers Path channel. In this video, we will explore the features of Clipchamp with demos, a powerful and free video editing tool that allows you to create engaging content with ease. To begin, navigate to the Clipchamp website. Once you open the platform, create a new folder to organize your projects. After creating the folder, open it to access your workspace. If you wish to start a new video, simply click on the 3-bar icon in the top corner. Here, you will also find keyboard shortcuts for efficient editing and the option to download your projects for offline use. The first feature we will discuss is the media import function. Clipchamp supports a wide range of file types, making it easy for you to import any media necessary for your project. Whether you are working with video clips, audio files, or images, the import process is straightforward and user-friendly. Once your files are imported, you can effortlessly drag them into the timeline, setting the stage for your creative vision. Enhancing your videos is simple with Clipchamp. You can increase the volume of your audio tracks to ensure clarity and impact. Additionally, applying filters can transform the mood of your footage, while adjusting the quality settings allows you to optimize your content for various platforms. To further improve the overall appearance of your videos, you can modify the shape of your clips. This feature enables you to create a more polished and professional look. Color adjustments are also at your disposal, allowing you to make your videos vibrant and engaging, capturing the attention of your audience. Lastly, Clipchamp offers the ability to adjust the speed of your clips. Whether you want to create dramatic slow motion effects or speed up certain segments for a dynamic feel, this feature provides the flexibility you need to achieve your desired outcome. Right-click on the video layer. You will see an option to unlink or detach audio. Selecting this option will separate the audio from the video, allowing you to manipulate each element independently. The recording options available in Clipchamp. This feature allows you to record your screen. In addition to screen and webcam recording, Clipchamp also offers a dedicated audio recording feature. This is particularly beneficial for voiceovers or podcasts. To record audio, select the audio option in the recording menu. You can use an external microphone for enhanced sound quality. After setting up your audio source, click the record button and Clipchamp will capture your voice with clarity. Throughout this video, I will demonstrate each of these recording options in real time, showcasing how easy it is to switch between them and combine different types of recordings for a more dynamic final product. The versatility of Clipchamp allows content creators to tailor their videos to meet various needs, whether for educational purposes, entertainment, or professional presentations. Let us begin with the screen recording feature. This option is particularly useful for creating tutorials, presentations, or gameplay videos. To initiate a screen recording, navigate to the recording section within Clipchamp. Here, you will find the option to select whether you want to record your entire screen, a specific application window, or a browser tab. Once you have made your selection, simply click the record button, and Clipchamp will capture your screen activity seamlessly. Another exciting feature is the text-to-speech function, which supports multiple languages, including English and various Indian languages. This tool can help you add voiceovers to your videos effortlessly. Moving on to the content library, you can find Welcome to our video on enhancing your projects with the content library. Today, we will explore the diverse range of clips, stickers, and music available to elevate your video creations. As you navigate to the content library, you will discover an extensive collection of elements designed to make your videos more dynamic and engaging. Whether you're looking for eye-catching stickers to add a playful touch or clips that seamlessly integrate into your narrative, the library has something for every project. One of the standout features of the content library is its impressive selection of music. You can choose from a variety of genres, including upbeat tracks that energize your content or somber melodies that evoke deeper emotions. This versatility allows you to select the perfect soundtrack that complements the mood and message of your video. Attaching these elements to your main videos is a straightforward process. Simply browse through the library, select the clips or music that resonate with your vision, and incorporate them into your project. This not only enhances the visual appeal, but also enriches the overall viewing experience for your audience. Clipchamp also offers a variety of templates tailored for different purposes, such as social media, gaming, corporate presentations, and weddings. These templates can save you time and help you create professional-looking videos quickly. Another exciting feature is the text features available in Clipchamp. When you want to add your own text, simply navigate to the right side of the interface. Here, you can customize your text to align with your creative vision. Whether you are showcasing your thoughts or incorporating pre-existing text, the options are versatile. You can easily replace default text with your own, ensuring that your message is clear and visually appealing. Transitions are essential elements that bridge the gap between different clips in your video. They serve not only to maintain continuity, but also to engage your audience by creating a seamless viewing experience. When used effectively, transitions can elevate the overall quality of your video, making it more visually appealing and professional. Clipchamp offers a wide variety of attractive transitions that you can incorporate into your projects. From simple fades to dynamic wipes, these transitions allow you to add a unique touch to your content. By strategically placing these transitions between clips, you can guide your viewers smoothly from one scene to another, ensuring that their attention remains focused on your message. It is important to remember that variety is key. Utilizing a diverse range of transitions can significantly enhance the visual interest of your video. However, it is crucial to strike a balance. Overusing transitions can distract from your content rather than complement it. Aim for a cohesive style that aligns with the tone of your video. Summary: we have covered the essential features of Clipchamp that allow you to modify text and incorporate transitions effectively. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this information helpful in your video editing journey.